Okay, welcome back. In the previous video, we looked at how when a ketone reacts with a base results in the formation of a diol. What happens when a ketone or an aldehyde reacts in an acidic medium? If you see the bottom portion is the same, it reacts with water, but the top, in the previous case, we had an OH minus. As I said, negative means basic, plus means acidic, right? So let's see what we get out of this. So let's go ahead and write our reactants. Okay. Now keep in mind, particularly when you're reacting in acidic medium, your oxygen comes with two sets of lone pairs, right? And they react with, I'm going to write your water as this way, the hydronium ion as this way, which is H3O plus. Basically, when the lone pair abstracts a hydrogen, the bond comes back to the oxygen, which in turn leads to, this is the second step of the mechanism. So whenever an element loses electrons, it gets a positive charge. I think I've said that repeatedly, numerous times. And then this stays the same, plus you get water. What happens now? Well, the water comes back. It's kind of a sequence of reactions involving water back and forth, okay? Now let's rewrite it in a different color so we don't have a whole bunch of red, okay? So your water, which again looks like this, also contains, again, oxygen always contains two pairs of electrons. This reacts here, okay? And then this comes back here. And if that's the case, then the positive charge should be gone, but this oxygen should get the positive charge. Now again, I don't know how you would remember it. You just have to remember it because I am going to test you one way or the other on this. Okay. Any element that loses electrons gets a positive charge. All right, here we have it. Now what happens here is, let's get another color. Maybe a black, yeah, that will work because we are on the last step. Now another molecule of water comes, okay. Right? This comes and grabs this hydrogen, which in turn, the bond comes back here, which leaves you with right? So this is OH. This is also OH. So whether it's acid or base, we are going to get a diol as a product, right? This is the mechanism. This whole thing is mechanism. So this is step 1. This is step 2. And this is step 3. And then obviously the product is 4. So you could do the same with an aldehyde with the acidic medium, and it would produce the same product. So whether it's an aldehyde or ketone in an acid or base, we are going to replace the C double bond O with 2 OH groups, and so this is a diol. I have 2 more videos on this topic, but this is where we end nucleophilic addition of aldehydes and ketones in an acid or base, and I still have ketal formation and Grignard reagent reaction. All right, so stay tuned.